Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today in this video we are going to talk about LG's Velvet phone, which is going to be launched on May 5th in Korea. So in this video we're going to talk about the specs and my personal recommendations on taking this phone or not. So basically, before going into this video, first we'll just talk about its primary specs and then we'll go into its depth. So basically, primary specs in the sense there might be some people who has no idea about phones, but they will pakka look into these specs and buy some phones. So for those people, first we'll talk about the primary specs and followed by the in-depth specs. So the first thing is primary specs in the sense this phone comes with 6.8 inches and it comes with Snapdragon 765 and it is basically 5G phone and it comes with 4300 mAh battery. It comes with 8 GB RAM and 128 GB internal. So this is basically about its primary specs. So next we are going to talk about its in-depth specs. So in this in-depth, first we are going to talk about its display. So here it comes with full vision OLED capacitive touchscreen display. So basically OLED in the sense it is organic light emitting diode. So basically this display is so good when compared to IPS or AMOLED display. So AMOLED is like quite similar to OLED. So like what is the main thing in OLED is you'll be having a good contrast ratio. So contrast ratio in the sense in your screen you'll be having a like a dark spot and a brighter spot. So you can now check a good variation in difference between this darker spot and the low brightness spot in your phone. So that is basically so good with help of this OLED display. And in addition to that, the main thing about this OLED, you'll be having good photos, features or videos, and so your pixels will be so good. So that is basically about its display. So then followed by its display we have to talk about its aspect ratio. So those who are new or those who have no idea about aspect ratio, your phone size is 6.8 inches. It doesn't mean your screen size is 6.8 inches. So screen here is the display. So here the display screen inches is given by this aspect ratio basically. So in this phone the aspect ratio is basically 20.5:9. So it is basically a good ratio. In addition to that, if you want it more clear, then comes the body to screen ratio. So body to screen ratio here is 88.4%. So in the sense, if you take 100% the total screen, in that 88% will be your display and the rest will be those little stuffs. So that is basically about its display. And in addition to that, we should talk about its PPI. So PPI in the sense pixel per inch. So basically PPI plays a very important role when you're zooming some photos. So in the sense if you take some photos and if you try to zoom it out, you might find some square shapes which has been available. So that is basically due to this PPI. So in this phone the PPI is basically 395 PPI in density, pixel per inch density, which is also quite okay. So that is basically about this display. And the last and final thing about this display is IP68 water and dust resistant. So in this phone you have good water and dust resistant as well. So this is basically about its display of LG Velvet. So the next thing which we are going to talk in this list is basically about its processor. So here it comes with Snapdragon 765 chipset. So in the sense, this phone will basically work in 5G and this chipset is going to be added with 8 GB RAM and 128 GB internal. And here is you can just extend your storage to 2 TB with the help of your micro SD card. And this it works in Android 10 processor. So this is basically about its processing things. And next we are going to talk about its camera. So here in the rear it comes with triple camera system with 48 plus 8 plus 5. So basically your 48 megapixel will be your primary camera, whereas your 8 will be your ultra wide lens and followed by 5 as your depth sensor. So this is its front part. Whereas talking about its selfie, it comes with 16 megapixel camera, so which is also quite good. So this is basically about its camera features. And the final thing which we need to talk here is about is face out focus app. So which is so good. Suppose if you're making some calls, it just quite amplifies the sound and while recording and so that will be so good. That new features is so good. And in addition to that, LG is so famous for its sound effects. So here it comes with stereo speakers, and it has 3.5 mm jack, which is also quite good. And if you're going to buy this phone, you will be getting an additional LG dual screen and stylus pen as well. And in addition to that, this phone comes in 4 colors like white, gray, sunset and blue, so you can choose any phones you want. And the last thing is about its battery. So here it comes with 4300 mAh, as I mentioned below earlier. So it comes with a fast charging, wireless fast charging of 10 watts, which is also quite okay from my point of view. So that is the thing. And but what is the thing is, if your charging is quite less, in addition thing, your phone will not get heat up so fast. So that is the main thing which I would like to say here. So the last thing which comes here is about its Wi-Fi. So here it comes, it works in all types of Wi-Fi, A, B, G, N, AC, AX, so dual band, all sorts of things, so no problem in that. So next comes about my personal recommendations on this phone. So basically, before that, the price. So the price of this phone is about like $780, and if you come to Indian price, it is like 50 plus Pakka. So but what is the thing is, the price is not yet confirmed, and the price might come on May 5th. This is the expected price. So basically, on seeing this expected price, I would just say this phone is like a mid-range phone. So basically, the specs which is given by LG is a mid-range specs, but the price is so high. So if you ask me why, this is because of the countries. So basically, LG is from Korea. So this phone is going to be first launched in Korea on May 5th. So when Korean rupees, like Korean currency, when converted to India is so high, because of those factors, this price is so high. That is the main thing. So basically, if you're watching this video from Korea or some Korean people, then please do go for this phone, because this phone is so good for your currencies. So that is the main thing. And in addition to that, if you want to pre-order these phones and so, I'll put the necessary links in the description, so where you can start knowing about these things on May 5th. So this is basically about this LG Velvet screen. So like what is it in the description? So this is like what is it in the description. I'll just put all the necessary links, so you can just go check it out. So hope so you like this video. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. So like this content, I'll just meet you in the next video. So till then, peace from K Square. Bye.